Hello, I'm going to show you how to find and edit an account creator or reader in Beanstack in the administrative view. So we're in the People tab, and we are going to go to Find a Person. And you can search with any of these fields. We're going to use the username field. We talked about in the account creator video a little bit. We're going to search for a Vermonter. You see here that we have 4 search results. And you can see that the account creator for all 4 of them is adult Vermonter. And then you can see the individual reader accounts within each one. So we have adult Vermonter, beginning reader Vermonter, child Vermonter, teen Vermonter within each one. So within here, you can do a lot of things. You can either click on the name or you can click on the edit button here. You see the reader. And then within here, you can edit the account information for the account creator or any of the readers within this family account. And then when you scroll up here, you can see that there are some other functions. So you can redeem rewards if that is set up. Currently, that is not set up centrally for redeeming awards because it's difficult because every library does it differently. But you could certainly, by viewing the badges and the completion and the logging, you could create your own reward system for that and be able to see who has completed what. And then here you can add readers, and then you can log reading for the readers. This particular one is to log for all readers at once, or you can go into each reader and log minutes. So that's kind of one of the nice features of the family account. So we're going to go into adult Vermonter here, and we can see that they are enrolled. You can see which programs they're enrolled in. So they are enrolled for the Summer Reading Challenge, the Adult Summer Reading Challenge. And as right now, the accounts are set up for, the site is set up for staff training. So you can see all of these different challenges here, but normally you would only see the one that's applicable based on age. So we can now, once they are signed up for a challenge, you can do view reading log. And you can see that they have completed no reading yet. And then this viewer reader experience, we will look at that later, and that's where you can actually see the site the way that the user sees the site, which can be very helpful. But we will explore that in a different video. So here, again, all of the things that you can do, you can view the activity badges. We're actually going to switch over to the beginning reader count. And here you can see they're signed up for the beginning reader challenge. And you can go to log. You can see that there's 20 minutes logged here. And you can edit this. You could actually edit this logging or delete it here. Or you can view the other badges that are here. Here's the current activity badges. You can see what is completed so far. And then if you click add to log, and then we are going to, for For the users, they will not see this option because each challenge is set up already. So for the children's, all of the children's and teens, it is done by minutes, and the adult is done by books. And again, the users won't even have this option, but if you're entering it as an admin, you'll need to select that. So we're going to select minutes. We're going to add 20 minutes. And we're going to not add a title this time, or author. You do not have to do that. And also, that's good to come in and add that later as well. We're going to close out of that. And then you can see which badges are earned. So by registering, as hopefully you experienced in the staff challenge, you'll see that every time when you register for a challenge, you'll get a badge, and then completing it also gets a badge, and then there's all the other badges, so the activity badges, and these are the ones that are completed so far. And then you can see the unearned badges here. And then any book reviews that are here, you can view them here. And with the book reviews, we have enabled that function, but no, they have to be approved by an admin before anyone else would be able to see them, because we want to be able to edit those once they are submitted. But that might be a nice thing to share with the public, or to share out in different ways, or if it's connected to any sort of your rewarding system for summer reading or other programs. And there are a few things that are not enabled right now for the Vermont Beanstack, the text box challenge, and some of these other. We're not using the points set up right now, but there is functionality that there are things that we might be able to use for other initiatives in the future. And so that is the functionality there, where you can come in and you can edit any of the account information with any of these users. You can update email address here. You could change the library as needed. You can delete accounts here if necessary. So these are all things that can be done through the people function and through the search function in Beanstack.